Just look at this. A perfectly poached egg with a shimmering golden yolk flowing like silk. Soft and radiant noodles, or boiled eggs wearing a skirt of crispy golden cheese. All resting peacefully on a classic gold-rimmed porcelain plate. Welcome, dear friends, to the serene kitchen corner of Cooking Tips 5S. Would you believe that to create these eye-catching dishes, we don't need any sophisticated restaurant techniques? Today, let's roll up our sleeves and leisurely pocket 5 wonderful egg hacks to turn your kitchen time into a truly healing experience. Floating poached eggs with a stainless steel ladle. Have you ever hesitated to make poached eggs because you feared the whites would scatter and thin out in the boiling water? The secret lies right here in this stainless steel ladle. First, use a small silicone brush to sweep a very thin, even layer of cooking oil inside the ladle to create a non-stick coating. Next, crack a fresh egg directly into the ladle. Beside you, a pot of crystal clear water is singing with a rolling boil. Don't rush to submerge the egg ladle just yet. Patiently hold the ladle hovering just above the water's surface. The rising steam will slowly set the egg white at the bottom. Once the outer edges turn the opaque colour of a cloud, only then do you slowly lower the ladle into the water. Having been pre-shaped by the steam, the egg remains perfectly whole and round. When sliced open, the white is soft and velvety, while the yolk flows out like a ribbon of silk. Weaving fresh noodles from egg yolks. With the vibrant golden yolks we separated earlier, let's create soft egg noodles, a dish that is incredibly gentle on the digestion of the elderly. Use a clean medical syringe to slowly draw up that shimmering yolk. On the stove, the pot of water is still simmering gently. Take your time pressing the syringe, letting the yolk flow into tiny, delicate streams, falling into the warm water. After just a few seconds of touching the heat, the yolk immediately sets into mini, golden bright noodles. Lift them out onto a plate with a strainer, and you have fluffy egg strands with their original rich flavour. Perfect when served with a bit of porridge or soup to warm the stomach. Separating egg yolks with a plastic bottle. After cracking the egg into a white porcelain bowl, you simply take a clean, clear plastic bottle and squeeze the body gently to push some air out. Next, place the mouth of the bottle close to the yolk and slowly release your grip. Thanks to the gentle principle of vacuum suction, the plump yolk will obediently pop into the bottle without a single scratch. Steaming cracked eggs with a strainer. Occasionally, when picking up eggs, we find some that are slightly cracked. If boiled directly in water, the pressure will push the whites out in a messy way. Don't be quick to discard them. Place a stainless steel strainer over the pot of simmering water, then carefully place the 2 cracked eggs inside. Cover it with a glass lid. Steaming with the rising heat will gently embrace the eggs, allowing the warmth to permeate slowly through the cracks without causing the whites to overflow. When peeled and sliced in half, you will find the yolk inside is perfectly cooked and wonderfully fudgy. Boiled eggs in crispy cheese skirts. Finally, to add a bold twist to your breakfast, let's reinvent the boiled egg. Turn the heat to a low simmer and in a non-stick pan, sprinkle tiny bits of pale yellow cheese into 3 neat corners. The spreading heat will slowly melt the cheese, sizzling happily and exhaling a rich, savoury aroma. Once the cheese spreads into 3 dappled circles, place the 3 snow-white boiled eggs from earlier onto the centres. The heat will sear the cheese, causing it to cling to the bottom of the egg, forming a crispy lace skirt. The simple softness of the boiled egg, combined with the chewy, salty and crunchy cheese base, will surely awaken all your senses. As you can see, the kitchen is sometimes like a miniature magical world, where we leisurely transform simple things into gentle art. I hope these 5 hacks for nurturing the humble egg have brought you moments of peaceful relaxation today. Wishing you great health, constant peace, and see you in the next healing kitchen corners of Cooking Tips 5S.